Hurricane season is here, and FOCUS Broadband is helping you stay connected and prepared with a few simple tips. Charge your phone, tablet, and backup batteries. Conserve power by dimming your screen, texting instead of calling, and limiting non-essential use. Keep portable chargers and power banks on hand, and consider a generator for extended power outages. Enable wireless emergency alerts in your phone settings to receive real-time storm and safety updates. Opt in to local emergency notifications. Save emergency contacts to your phone and download important documents or maps in case internet access is unavailable. Use cloud storage or an external drive to back up your most important photos, files, and documents ahead of time. Download local news, weather, and communication apps. Follow your power company and FOCUS Broadband on social media for updates. Familiarize yourself with your provider's outage reporting tools. Bookmark important support pages so they're easy to find when you need them.